In this video, we're going to use Keynote to solve a math problem and then use a voice recording inside of Keynote to explain our thinking or our process. But don't limit yourselves just to a math problem with this. You can use the skills for just about anything in any subject area. Jeff and I both feel that Keynote is the most versatile tool that the students have on their iPads, and we use it for just about everything. So let's get started. I'm going to start by opening Keynote and choosing a blank presentation. I'm going to choose the basic white. And then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to create just a blank canvas, so to get rid of these text boxes. If you use your finger to tap and hold and you see that little flash, then you can drag and choose lots of things at once and delete them all. So now I have this great blank canvas. Now, this is best if the students are using a stylus. I'm going to use my Apple Pencil, so all I have to do is tap and it'll start writing. But if the students have a stylus, up here, if they click the plus sign, the add button, they can add a drawing and then use any stylus. So let's start by getting rid of that and then writing down the problem. Just a basic math problem. And I'm going to go ahead and solve it and then show you how we explain our thinking using a voice recording. So now I have the entire problem solved. Now that could be enough, and I could export this and send it to a teacher. I could export it even as a PDF or a JPEG and send it and upload it to a Google Classroom if I felt like it. But if I want to explain my thinking, I can also hit the plus sign and then choose Record Audio. Once I click on that, you can see that there's a microphone right down here to record. I first start getting x by itself by adding 15 to both sides. Once I get 25, I have 5x equals 25. Then to finally get x by itself, I divide by 5 on both sides, and then we get x equals 5. I hit stop, and then up in the upper right-hand side, I hit insert, and we have this voice recording here. Now we can do lots of things. The most simple thing we can do is we can export this by hitting the ellipsis in the upper right-hand side, and then exporting. And we can actually export this as a movie. And when we do that, we make sure these two are at 0 seconds, so there's no pause when the voice comes out. Creates the movie, click share, save video, and then that new movie goes right into your Photos app. So if I open up Photos, here it is. Start getting x by itself by adding 15 to both sides. Once I get 25, I have 5x equals 2. And then, just like that, we have a video, the process that they went through to solve their question. They're not writing it, they're not typing it, they're actually verbalizing. Another way that this can be done, we can delete this, is while they're actually solving the problem, if the kids can talk while they write, they can actually swipe down from the upper right-hand side and then choose choose screen recording. If they click this, which I'm doing a screen recording right now, so I can't do it to show you. If they click that, it'll give them a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then it'll record their screen and their writing so that their voice is on top of everything while they write. So if they can explain and write at the same time, you can actually listen to their thinking as they're going through their process. So a real quick and easy way, 2 ways to have kids get a problem, explain their thinking, export it as a movie, and send it all to you in Google Classroom or wherever you would want it. Great, thanks.